that sounds so good. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Sure.
Have you filled out your pledge card yet?
Yeah, I think I did that last year.
Well, that's great, but you need to do it every year.
Really? Every year?
Yeah, that's how our church is able to plan financially.
But what do we need to plan for? What sort of budget do we need?
Well, we need our budget to pay for the building and to pay for all of our staff, like our ministers, John D., and our sextons.
Oh, okay. Well, is this going to take long? Because I need to get back to practicing.
No, it'll only take a few minutes. Here, I already have it pulled up here on my phone.
Oh, that's great.
I just scanned the QR code on the pledge card in the back of the pew, and that's how I pulled it up.
Oh, that's great. So I just need to put in the amount that I want to pledge, my name, and my email address. That's really easy.
Exactly. And you don't have to do it all at once. So you can automate your payments and have it go monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly, whatever works for you.
What if I'm old school and I'd rather send a check?
That's also fine. Just fill out the pledge card that's in the back of the pew, and you can drop your check as long as it says pledge in the memo line in the back of the church, in the offering plate when it comes around, or just mail it to the church.
Oh, that's really easy then. Well, thanks. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Easy breezy. Now let's hear that sax again.
Sure thing.